Dr. Nate here, practicing orthodontist for over a decade, and I'm going to answer the question that everybody asks. Braces or Invisalign? In this video, I'm going to go through the pricing, I'm going to go through discomfort, I'm going to go through what is the quickest option, and what is actually the difference between braces and Invisalign. First off, let's talk about what clear aligners are and how they work. So clear aligners utilize advanced technology to straighten your teeth gradually with a modified plastic type material. So your orthodontist will either take an impression or a scan of your mouth, and this will get sent over to Invisalign or Candid or whatever company you are using. Invisalign will then take that information, render a 3D image of your teeth, and create a treatment plan, along with your orthodontist or me, to straighten your teeth. Once the treatment plan is finalized, they will make a series of clear aligners that will gradually straighten your teeth. You will wear each aligner for roughly a week or so at a time until you get the desired outcome. Now, I've done other videos on how Invisalign works exactly. I'll probably link it up above here, but that is roughly or quickly how Invisalign works. Now, we go to braces. Braces are glued onto your teeth, and you can typically get them right after your initial consultation, and your teeth will start moving that exact same day. The wires that are placed will gradually move your teeth as they are elastic and always want to go back to the same shape. Braces, along with the wires and rubber bands, slowly get your teeth and bite into proper alignment. Okay, now what's the speed difference between braces and Invisalign? So in general, I say the more difficult the case, the faster braces are going to be. The reason is this, because if you're taking out teeth or you're doing some big movements with a lot of rubber bands, braces are just stronger, so they're going to give you the result a lot quicker. But if you have an easy case, and I'm saying like 6 months or less, Invisalign or clear aligners are definitely going to be faster. And the reason is that they can do these fine, detailed movements that takes a lot longer with braces. So if your treatment is longer and more difficult, braces is likely going to give you a result quicker. But if it's an easy case, if you're 6 months or less, Invisalign or clear aligners are going to be definitely quicker. Now, a huge caveat here on the speed: if you do not wear these things 22 hours a day, it is going to take forever, and no matter what, it is going to be longer than braces. On a side note, please like and subscribe if you're getting any value from this channel so I can continue to make high quality dental content. Most dental offices, most orthodontists will charge more for Invisalign or clear aligners than they will for braces. And it's not because one product is better, it's just because the lab fee associated with clear aligners is like quadruple the amount that it is for braces. Now, of course, there's some offices that only want to do clear aligners, so they're going to make the prices very, very similar. But I'd say 90% of the offices, the price for clear aligners is more than it is for braces. So does dental insurance cover braces and Invisalign? Well, if you have orthodontic coverage, it really doesn't matter if you use braces or Invisalign. It doesn't really matter to the insurance company. So keep in mind, if you have orthodontic coverage, most of the time that's a lifetime maximum. That means it does not renew every year like general dental insurance does. Also, if you have orthodontic coverage, you want to make sure that you stay with that same insurance for the entire duration of treatment, or else that insurance is not going to pay out the full amount, which means you will owe more once your treatment is done. Okay, now which one causes more pain? So FYI, I had both of these as an adult. I had Invisalign and I had braces, so I can understand the differences intimately when it comes to pain. So I think with both products, you're gonna have some discomfort. They're just different. With braces, when you get the braces glued on, it's gonna take a minute for you to get used to actually having braces on your teeth, and it's gonna kind of rub on your cheeks and your lip a bit. And I'd say after a few days, maybe a few weeks, you're gonna get used to it, and then it just becomes kind of second nature. With clear aligners, it's different. When you first put the aligners in, they don't really rub on your cheeks because they form pretty well to your teeth. But every time you put them in, and I mean every week, you're gonna have some discomfort for a day or two with your teeth, because each time you put a new tray in, it's gonna slightly adjust your teeth. So for me personally, I think braces initially is more difficult, but then it gets easier, whereas clear aligners, you have those periodic times where it's just, it's pretty uncomfortable. On a side note, if you're gonna use Invisalign or something similar, they tend to use a lot of attachments, and that is those little bumps that you see on those trays. But if you use other companies, Candid Pro, and I'm sure there's others, they tend to use less attachments and it forms better to your teeth. So I believe it's a little bit more comfortable. All right, so what is the best for you? Obviously, you want to go see your orthodontist to give you the best opinion or the best advice on what would work best for yourself. We don't charge for consultations, so it's free and easy to get all of your questions answered. But I typically tell patients if they want the most accurate, quick, and affordable option, braces is probably going to be your best bet. But if you want the most aesthetic treatment and be able to brush, floss, and eat without any issues, try clear aligners. So it's impossible for me to say exactly what the best treatment option is for you. So you go into your local orthodontic office and see what they offer and just start your new smile journey. So that's all you need to know to decide what is better for yourself, if it's braces or Invisalign. I hope you had some value in this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.